Did you know Aldi is one of the UK's top employers? With over 45,000 colleagues, Aldi offers competitive pay and career growth opportunities. Discover why Aldi stands out with its commitment to sustainability and a team-oriented culture. Tailor your CV to align with Aldi's core values. Highlight relevant experience and transferable skills. Keep it concise, professional, and error-free to make a strong impression. Aldi values efficiency, so your CV should reflect this. Use clear headings and bullet points to showcase your achievements. Remember, a well-organized CV can set you apart. Applying to Aldi is straightforward. Explore the step-by-step online application process. Showcase your enthusiasm and fit for Aldi's culture in your cover letter and interview. Highlight your alignment with Aldi's values and demonstrate your skills through practical examples. Reflect on your career goals with Aldi in mind. Explore open roles and apply with confidence. Embrace the opportunity to grow in a dynamic work environment. By aligning your skills with Aldi's values, you'll enhance your career prospects. Remember, a well-crafted CV and application can open doors to exciting opportunities. Ready to take the next step? Explore Aldi's career page and apply today. Embrace the chance to thrive in a supportive and growth-oriented environment.